Hi, Lee Phillips here. I'm an attorney, and we're talking about free stuff on the internet. I say, get my free ebook on this, get my free ebook on that. I don't sign up for any of that crap because I have gotten so much junk. I'm on lists that I can't get off, and they send me 10 a day. We will never sell your information if you sign up for one of my free ebooks. I'll swear on that. I'm a lawyer. You can trust me. Is that right? I'm not sure about that. But yeah, trust your lawyer. And don't worry about signing up with stuff on our sites because we've never sold any information. We're not going to sell information. We don't even have advertising on our YouTube channel. I think that this is my way of giving back to you. Yeah, I like to make money as much as the next guy, but I'm not going to prostitute my name list either. Lee Phillips, don't forget to give me comments and loves and likes and all of that stuff. And go ahead, order my ebooks. You're not going to get a ton of email. They try and have me send out one newsletter type thing a week. And I make it about every third week, maybe. So it's not a big deal, guys. Sign up for whatever you want on my site and give me the comments below so I know what you're thinking about. And don't forget to love us and like us and all that sort of garbage.